Good morning everyone. So today is our third day here in the campgrounds. So nandoon yung campsite namin. May mga silingan po mi guys. Kakagising lang. Ang ganda ng gising natin today kasi I was able to sleep few hours. Unlike nung unang gabi, nahirapan akong humiga or makatulog. Siguro dahil hindi nasanay ang katawan natin sa lupa. So yan ang view natin. Nandoon yung dagat. May dagat kami malapit dito sa campsite. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw, ang ganda ng aura natin today kasi third day na, meaning malapit ng uuwi bukas. We have one more night here. Well, super enjoy si Habi kapag nagka-camping trip kami, and he's always making sure na busog kami, morning, lunch, and dinner. Bungga siya kapag mga ganitong bakasyon, yung camping. Tatanungin ka palagi, did you like the foods, did you like the steak, did you like the barbecue last night, blah blah blah. Yeah, so he is really big into camping trips. So kaya mas gusto niyang pipiliing magka-camping kaysa sasakay ng eroplano, mainly because that's his hobby. Magmula pa nung bata pa siya, palagi silang nagka-camping din, so nasanayan niyang magka-camping trip. Hindi masyado sa traveling like flying kasi nga nagmo-motion sickness rin siya. So no wonder bakit nagmo-motion sickness si Thea at si Freya, nakuha pala sa kanya yun. Nung nagpunta kami ng Canada, ang bad ng turbulence nung pagland namin ng Calgary, kaya doon pa lang medyo hindi na siya okay. Kaya the whole time na nag-travel kami noon sa Canada, mga land trips, ganun, medyo hindi siya masyadong kumbaga happy, but on the other hand, he likes that trip kasi nga naka-attend sa wedding, first time rin niyang nag-Canada at nag-enjoy ang lahat. Okay, so yun lang ang ating yaw-yaw for today, no? Maggawa lang ako ng kape kasi si Dad nag-snore pa. Ayaw ko munang gisingin para makapagpahinga din siya. Siya pa naman ang driver ng 3 hours pa uwi bukas. So he has to have enough sleep kasi pag wala rin masyadong tulog yung asawa ko, bugnutin. Parang ako, kahapon bugnutin ako kasi nga hindi masyado nakatulog nung unang gabi namin. So yun, ang saya at ganda ng camping namin kasi I really like this camping sites kasi nga sandy yung campgrounds namin. Hindi siya dusty. Kaya sa mga gustong pupunta ng panibagong campsites, try to Google Fort Bragg. Sa mga friends ko dito sa California, Fort Bragg is always on top of our campsites destination. Yeah. So dyan, babalik na tayo sa tent. Actually, dalawa yung tent namin. Si Dad iba yung tent niya. O di ba? May privacy kami. Nakaharang yung mga kahoy at saka yung mga tanim. Si Dad ang medyo open yung tent niya. Okay guys, we're here in Big River Beach, our day 3. Ang lamig ng tubig. Oh, ang lamig. There. May mag-kayaking. Paddle boarding. Para kang nasa freezer man ito eh. Kahit mainit hindi ko kaya. Ang lamig. May nagbe-beach volleyball. Babe, we'll see if you can make it towards here.
No.
Take it easy. Did you put sunscreen already?
No, not a question.
Oh boy. Well, it's not that hot though. That's fine.
And it's not even a... What is that stuff? The yellow stuff.
It's the thingy.
Hey, get out of here.
Okay guys, what are you doing guys?
I'm putting on
Where's the
my-
other girl? Right there?
Hi, I'm the moisturizer and I work...
What did you say?
I work at the beauty salon.
Oh, you work at the beauty salon? What are you doing?
I'm the worker and I'm taking my break.
Funny. So how long is your break time?
100 minutes.
100 minutes? That's more than 1 hour.
See? I really get my breaks.
Pagkarinduta sa among Monday nga kahaponon guys. Sulit gyud ang pag-drive. Na river, big river here in Mendocino. Si Mami, relax na diri sa bye-bye.
Okay, guys. Okay, little guys and girls. I'm gonna wait for my Yeah, wait for my Okay, guys. On the last video, we did this slide and this slide. But now that it's the next video, we're doing this slide and this orb.
Snack time, cherries, grapes.
Dad, how do you like say that word like talking Japanese? Japan. Dad, how do you say like
Video siya, video po ko.
Japanese? Mom, they're Japanese. Yeah.
Okay, here chicken. Sus, ang mga birds, oh. Nangaon na, oh, grapes. Lupit ni Spraya, mukha ka na. No, this is your side. The bottom one is Freya's. Okay, Thea got a lot.
Oh. Okay.
Grabihan niya ako mga birds, oh. Here, birdie. Here, birdie. Here's more birdie. Okay, how about the baby bird? There's more baby bird. Na dito ang river, guys, oh. Ninduta kayo. Okay, tara. Mauli na mi, guys. Kikapoy na si Daddy ginulat. Dili pa ka mauli. Pero si Daddy kaya na-board naman. I think we're going nada, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. That's it. That's the big river here in Mendocino. Bye. Thank you for watching. Okay, so nakarating na kami galing sa river at sa isang beach na dinaanan namin. Nakapag-enjoy, nakapag-splash sa tubig. Inabot ata kami ng 3 hours sa river. Ang ganda ng big river sa Mendocino, no? So doon naubos yung afternoon namin on our third day. Then dumaan kami sa market, bumili ng malaking steak for dinner. Lulutuin ni Afan. Mag-slice lang ako ng potato para sa kanila. May salad, then ako magluto ako ng rice. Kasi may isda pa akong leftover with the steak later. So nakapag-shower na kaming tatlo. Kasi hindi pwedeng hindi mag-shower. May shower din, guys, 5 minutes per token. So hindi ko alam magkano yung isang token. Bumili si Dad kaninang umaga. Oh my God, ang ganda ng third day namin, no? Hindi kami nakapag-hike today. So tomorrow, ang pang fourth day, kapag nagka-camping kami, relax na lang. So wala nang ganap bukas. Kahapon at today talaga yung totoong adventures namin, no? So yun lang ang ating camping trip for this year dito sa Fort Bragg, part ito ng Mendocino County. Nakapag-lotion na tayo, naka-roll on, naka-oil, ready to cook our patatas at magkakape muna ako. Thank you for watching. Enjoy ang aming family vacation this year. Not fancy, not expensive. For most of us, naisipin natin, ay, bukid, baka walang toilet, walang shower. Mayroon lahat, guys. But then, hindi naman talaga lahat into camping. So, kanya-kanyang trip yan. Yung asawa ko bago ko pinakasalan, mahilig na siya mag-camping. So, pati yung pagka-camping trip niya, ang pagpapamamasura, pinakasalan ko na rin. Okay, so yun ang sekreto para mag-long last ang relasyon. Kung anong gusto ng isa't isa, deal with it. Kung hindi kaya, o yun, hiwalayan mo na. What are you doing here?
Play badminton.
We're almost eating our dinner, okay?
I'm learning how to
Dad is almost done cooking the steak.
I'm learning how to play badminton.
Badminton? Why you're so slow? Badminton. Oh, Tia teaches you?
Yeah, she teach me.
Oh.
So I have to hold it like this, and then only do it with my wrist, and then I have to hold it down. Like
Why the cup is here?
Huh? She brought it there. She pretty fast. Yeah, I forgot it.
Oh, what a fresh air here.
Mom, do you want to watch us play badminton? I mean, learn how to play badminton.
I told you to do it on the street because it's flat.
That's okay.
It's hard here on the sand.
But there's sand in my. If I catch it.
Yes.
Mom, was that right?
Humanara baka galigo, maghinuga na
Was
po ka.
that right?
Yep.
Yay! Thea's not a pro at it, so she's still learning to. Mom, that's her bedtime clothing.
It's okay. We're going back to the Bay Area
Mom,
tomorrow
we're
anyway.
at 9:30.
It's not dirty here, it's just sand.
But it could like.
Yeah, we were lying down here on our first night, guys, at 9 to 10 o'clock, maybe. We saw a lot of beautiful stars.
What's this?
I'm done cooking with the potatoes, my rice, and made a homemade salad. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so today, this is the last activity of day 3. So at least nakapag-relax sila sa kanilang mga gadget kasi walang wifi, walang charger. So ako nakapag-vlog, nag-charge lang saglit saka pinaandar ko. Yun nga lang, patay ang gas. Kaya okay na to 20%. Bukas ulit pag biyahe namin, saka ako Facebook para maka-charge habang mag-drive pa uwi. 3 hours plus yung drive namin pa uwi, guys. So bawi-bawi lang ako ha sa mga nag-comment.
Mom, what's this?
I gonna make it up when I'm back.
I got that one perfect.
Unlimited wifi sa bahay, pero ang ganda talaga ng area namin. Itong Fort Bragg ang pinaka-ideal na campsite for me. Nung first time kong nakapunta dito, 2014, when Thea was not even a 1-year-old.
Fred, do you want to see how to open
So that was my first time coming here at Fort Bragg. Then I told Tom I really like the campsite here because it's not dusty. And the tent is like covered with trees. Okay. The meat is ready, so I'm gonna prep the table and we're gonna have to eat our dinner. See? Thank you.
Okay, mga ka-freshness, tapos na kaming kumain pero maliwanag pa kaya nag-decide kami ni Frey na mag-ikot-ikot, pero she's telling me not to watch her going back to the tent. Ako na lang daw ang maglakad sa malayo kasi independent na daw siya, pwede na siyang bumalik mag-isa sa tent. Be, tingnan nga natin. Okay. She's trying to be independent going back there. So habang ako ay naglakad-lakad konti, naglaro sila ulit ng badminton kasi maliwanag pa rin kahit alas 8 na. Now ang duhag badminton. Humanag dinner.
Mom.
Alas 8 na pero hayag pa kayo diri sa among bukid.
Mom, Theo wants to play with you.
Okay, it's not
So habang paggabi na, naisipan naming making stories para matapos yung bonfire namin bago kami papasok sa mga tents. So si Dad ang nabidyohan namin kasi na-dead yung battery ko.
Father, a mother, and the son. And they lived there many happy years together. But one winter, the mother got sick. And she died.
Why it's always the mother?
Well, we're not going any further than that. The mother got sick and she died of some disease. So the father couldn't raise the boy alone. So he decided he would move in with his kinsman on the other side of a very long and deep forest. There was a trail that ran through the forest and one could ride on horseback. But it was late in the year and it got dark very early and they weren't able to leave until it got dark. So the father put his son up on his horse in front of him and told him as they left to enter the forest, "This is the only way to get to the home of our kinsman. But this forest is the forest of the Elf King. If you hear any voices as we ride through the forest, don't listen to them. They will try to take you away from me."
Oh boy.
So they began to ride through the forest. And the forest, the trees overhung the path. And once they got dark in the forest, it began to rain and thunder and lightning.
Dad, you need to adjust the flashlight. It's pointing at your neck.
Oh my God, someone is scared. Why are you scared?
And they rode through the forest. And as the rain came down, the father wrapped his son up in his cloak so that his son was protected from the rain.
Aww.
And as they rode, the boy said, my father, I can hear the Elf King calling me. And the Elf King sang in a voice that only the little boy could hear. And he said, my beautiful boy, I have a palace deep in the forest, and I will make you my prince, and one day that palace will be yours. My father, the Elf King is making promises to me. He wants me to come with him to his palace in the forest. Don't listen, my son, don't listen. And the father spurred the horse, and the horse broke into a gallop. And the Elf King sang to the boy, my wife will make wonderful food for you, sweetmeats and cakes and candies, if you will come with me. My father, the Elf King is promising me that I should come with him. Don't listen, my son, don't listen. And the Elf King sang to the boy, I have two beautiful daughters, and they will play with you every day.